The creators' playground, YouTube versus TikTok. YouTube and TikTok are the giants of online video. They're where creators upload, share, and potentially earn money. But how do these platforms actually pay their stars? That's what we're here to uncover. YouTube has been around for a while. It's known for longer videos and a variety of content. Think vlogs, tutorials, and music. TikTok, on the other hand, is the new kid on the block. It's all about short, catchy videos. Both platforms offer ways for creators to make money. However, the methods and consistency of these earnings differ greatly. Understanding these nuances is key for any aspiring online star. Let's dive deeper into the world of YouTube and TikTok money-making. Get ready to learn the secrets of online success. YouTube uses a multi-pronged approach to pay its creators. The most well-known method is through advertising revenue. As viewers watch videos, ads play. Creators get a cut of the money generated from these ads. Sponsorships are another avenue for YouTubers to earn. Brands pay creators to feature their products or services in videos. This could be a dedicated segment or a subtle mention. YouTube also offers a feature called channel memberships. For a monthly fee, fans get exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. Creators earn a portion of these membership fees. This combination of ad revenue, sponsorships, and memberships provides multiple income streams for YouTubers. This can lead to a more stable and potentially lucrative career online. TikTok's payment structure is a bit different. One primary method is the Creator Fund. This is a pool of money TikTok distributes to creators based on video views, engagement, and adherence to community guidelines. Another way TikTokers earn is through sponsorships. Similar to YouTube, brands collaborate with creators to promote products or services. This is often done through sponsored videos or hashtag challenges. However, there's a catch. TikTok's payment system is less transparent compared to YouTube. The algorithm that determines creator fund payouts is shrouded in mystery. This makes it difficult for creators to predict earnings. Additionally, TikTok's focus on short-form content might limit sponsorship opportunities. Brands might find it challenging to convey their message effectively within TikTok's short video format. So, which platform is better for creators in terms of payment? The answer, as with most things, is it depends. YouTube offers greater transparency and potentially higher earning potential through its diversified revenue streams. However, it requires building a subscriber base and navigating a complex algorithm. TikTok, while potentially lucrative for viral sensations, suffers from inconsistent earnings and a lack of transparency. The Creator Fund can feel like a lottery, and sponsorships might be harder to come by. Ultimately, the best platform for you depends on your content, audience, and goals. Do your research, experiment, and see which platform resonates best with you and your creative vision. Remember, the most important thing is to create engaging content that you're passionate about. The money, hopefully, will follow.